So hi guys, I actually spawned into my world. Yeah. So you have probably seen my rail video hack. Yeah, something like that. Oh wait, you've probably seen my rail video hack. I mean my life hack video. Yeah. No wait. Need my. Yeah, let's go. So I walk in Loki crap. So yeah.
Look, you were there.
I'm filming a video, okay. Oops, I accidentally pressed that. And that wasn't me, that wasn't me.
He's coming.
Oh, lightning, lightning! I need to build a house quickly. Oh my gosh, this is so upsetting. I want this thunderstorm to end. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, bro. So you've probably seen my my life hack video. So I'm gonna build a house just to keep me safe. So this house is just for only when it's rainy time. Yeah, just like a thunderstorm. Huh?
That's greenness from the heart. Nestle all-purpose cream from Nestle.
And so yeah, I'm gonna put nope. So let me change it. Add always. I don't want this thunderstorm to happen. Let me use an extra door. This house is only for the rain. This is not for any house. It's not called the modern house because this is. I call this the rain house. So I'm just gonna. But there's no light. Good question, guys. I'm gonna add torch. Yeah. Look at how bright, man. Is the rain gone? Is the rain gone yet? Nah, still not. It's just so bored here. I don't know what to do. For the sake of God, I need to move out of. For the sake of yeah, my animals here, I gotta move out of town. Yeah. Oh, I can still see the effect. Okay, I will cover the whole thing up so I won't see anything. This is just. This is. 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 This is I do not like rain. I do not like rain. I do not like rain. I'm gonna go back inside the house. So I wanted to make a railway. I mean, a real video, but since it's raining, I gotta oh, I think it's not thundering anymore. Been like 5 minutes now, and it's still like raining, and I just don't want things to happen like that and this and that and this and that and this and that and this. But you know, life is that one, guys. Ooh, I have something to do with the trails here. These are my old railway. I'm gonna build a new railway. So, I'm gonna use a powered rail. Uh, so, I'm gonna build my railway. I need to connect it with the new railway because that shines. Hey, not you. What is this? Is this whoa, okay, bro. Wow, are you a pig man? Yep, because you have that golden new sword. So that's how a pigman look like. Oh, weird. Yeah, guys, mobs these days aren't good for me to live. For your sake, guys, I gotta move out of town because of you. Ah, oh my gosh, a sheep. How am I gonna build my railway? This is just so upsetting, you know. It's so upsetting. Got another thunderstorm, guys. Why does a thunderstorm always happens? A thunderstorm always happens. A thunderstorm. These are just normal, guys. If you ever know, my biggest fear is the rain. Did you know that in real life I'm really scared of rain? So please, this is just God's creation. So please try to not be scared. To be like me, I'm always scared of thunderstorms and like that. I'm actually, yeah. So guys, just listen to what I actually said. But this is a main railway. Why not add it something interesting? Yeah. So this will be no, not the or be spawning a railway. Nope. Yes. Do you know what I'm talking about, guys? Let's go. One of for the same. One is for the other railway thing. Hey, you zombie pigman in a creeper. Oh, look at that flash of a lightning bolt. Hey, you creeper! Ah! Guys, I think this is a thunderstorm. Yep. I don't know when this thunderstorm stops, but I just gotta go inside my house. Okay, guys, I really want this to stop. So, dee 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 doo doo dee 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 doo 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 doo. Gah. Okay, yeah, that's done, that's done, that's done. That's done, that's done. That's done. Wait, there's actually nothing. Thunderstorms always happen, so I think that's it for the vlog, guys, so bye. I'll just finish my railway on the next vlog.